Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you very much for joining me. Right, today we're going to look at my well, it's not new, it's actually a year old, but I've been using it for a year. You know what I like to do, I like to test it before I give a good review. So it's the Dewalt D25013KT SDS Plus combination hammer drill, lightweight drill. Okay, so this is how it comes. It comes in this this box here with a see-through lid. You can see from the images what you get with it. Of course, you get your drill, you get some safety specs, you get some gloves, and you get some bits. Now, all in all, so far it's been an absolutely amazing drill. You got your 5mm, 6mm, 8mm, 10mm. Sorry about the light; it's terrible in here. Do excuse the mess of the shed. It's been very busy, that's why I haven't uploaded recently. And of course you get your small SDS chisel bit as well with it, which comes in extremely handy for me. Of course you get your gloves and your specs as well. You get your guide, obviously your depth guide when you're drilling, which I'm going to use. Never mind, moving swiftly on. Let's take it out of here. So it is the powerful lightweight 3-mode combination design. It's got the rotary stop function for lightweight chiseling, so as you can see it's straight to chisel, which we'll do a demonstration in a minute so we can get an idea of what it can do. It offers the same power in the forward and reverse mode, thanks to the variable speed switch which I've just shown you. It's got the mechanical clutch which reduces a sudden high torque reaction, so let's say the bit jams. Okay, it's got a good design on it, easy to handle, low vibration, which I can verify that you don't really feel much at all. There's an impact stop for drilling in wood, steel, plastic. The drill's fitted with a soft grip for the main handle for the comfort and safety, which it is. This bit's quite easy to hold, nice to move, easy to undo. Again, we've been through what it's supplied with. Now for the specification, the power output is 650 watts. It's not a lot. It's not a lot at all, but I was quite surprised when I got it. So the capacity what it can go through, depth wise, is wood 30mm, metal 13mm, concrete 22mm, core bit 50mm. Okay, the length of the drill is 325mm, height 210, and weight's about 2.5. So this is the 22mm SDS-Plus combination hammer drill, 650 watt. So I'm highly pleased with this, in all fairness. It was an on the spot, spur of the moment purchase. It was £96 I paid for this. I have included a link in the description to an online site. It is a bit dearer to what I paid, and I do know the 110 volt you can get cheaper. So if you can go for a 110, great. But it's always the same thing with a battery, or compared to battery to 240 to 110, there's always that price variation. But highly recommend it, guys. And if you need a cheap drill, it's lasted me a year. It's done some quite heavy jobs, to be honest with you. I thought it was going to burn out a few times, but it's lived to tell the tale, and it's still going strong. Go get one. We're going to look at it with a 7mm drill bit. It's only into a brick, solid brick. It's the only thing I've got really that I can use it on. Fortunately, I haven't got a lot of options today. So it's good enough. So first off, we'll start with the drill. So as I've shown you, switch it around to drill like that. Now we've started, we're going to switch to hammer drill, like so. So all the way through the brick. So this is a standard chisel bit that it actually comes with. So just the SDS bit. So we'll give it a go. there we go, quite good. Straight through, no issues. So remember guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you like, and yeah, thank you very much. I'll see you again soon.